Roman Reigns is honestly one of the craziest examples of what discipline can do to a person. The first photo is taken from 2021 when Roman Reigns was the Universal Champion, and the second one is now from 2026 where now he is holding the World Heavyweight Champion. There is a 5-year gap between these two pictures, but if you look carefully, it barely feels like he aged at all, and that's what happens when your diet is clean, your sleep is proper, and you stay consistent every single year. Money matters, success matters, but none of it feels good if your health is falling apart. That's why health should always be one of the biggest goals in life. Now moving on into WWE news, Randy Orton has been missing recently because of physical discomfort, but report says he is advertised for the May 29th episode of SmackDown in Barcelona, so his return could happen very soon. Let's see where his story will revolve around. There are also strong rumors that Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods could join AEW after leaving WWE. Since they spend most of their careers in WWE, it will be interesting to see how they are used outside the WWE. Asuka also posted some cryptic photos online, and many fans feel she may be stepping away from WWE for a longer period of time, and maybe even partially, as we discussed earlier in the video. Another major topic right now is WWE insane amount of advertisements during shows. Even fans and some celebrities have openly said that WrestleMania didn't feel immersive because ads kept interrupting the experience. Sami Zayn's character is also changing. Report says he personally wanted a more layered role instead of being a simple face or simple heel. Meanwhile, Jacob Fatu has gone viral because look at this photo. Bro, Jacob Fatu doesn't hold championships. He tastes them and licked them. As for CM Punk, WWE reportedly removed him from several upcoming advertised appearances. Right now, his next major expected appearance is July 6th episode of Raw in Chicago. And finally, WWE seems to be slowly building toward one of the biggest possible matches, that is Roman Reigns versus Seth Rollins. If this match happens for World Heavyweight Championship, especially at WrestleMania, it could easily become one of the WWE's biggest main event in years. There's so many stories they can revolve around. That is the Shield history, the betrayal, the unfinished rivalry between Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns. Everything is already there for a legendary story. And recently, Roman Reigns was also seen holding his elbow backstage after Raw, showing that he picked up a noticeable injury, although it doesn't appear serious enough to keep him away from wrestling for long. That's all for today. So, yeah, see you in the next one.